Hi guys, my name is Connie and today we're going to be adding a gradient to this text in webflow. So what you want to have out is the text that you want to add a gradient to. And the first thing you want to notice is to make sure that this heading border box is make sure the text is within this box, because what we will be doing is adding a background and clipping that background to the text. Let me show you. So make sure the heading box, the text is within the heading box by adjusting it, going to flex box, vertical, align, clicking on it. You want to go to flex box, vertical, align center, and justify center. It makes it within this area. And then you want to scroll down to the background, change the background by selecting gradient. The second box, linear gradient, I'm gonna just leave it as gray for now. But if you want to add different colors, you can add more and then change them here. And then you can also change the angle. So right now it doesn't look the best. So what you want to do is go to clipping and clip background to text. And that's pretty much how you create a gradient. If your box is not covering the entire text, you will have some parts that are cut off. So make sure that the heading is covering the entire text that you want to have a gradient on. That's it. If this was helpful, please give me a like. Thank you.